In the previous video, we knew how the rat trap sailor entered the Ramjo Iron Works. In today's video, we will know how the rat trap sailor was treated in the iron mill. Let us start. Surely it was nothing unusual for poor vagabonds. See, surely it was nothing unusual. Actually, surely it was usual, it was common for poor vagabonds. For poor vagabonds means wandering persons, homeless persons, without any better shelter. And these persons were without any better shelter, any better place for the night, to pass their night, to be attracted to the forge by the glow of light which escaped through the sooty means coal black panes. See, actually these vagabonds were attracted to the forge by the glow of light which escaped through sooty window panes. Actually, at night, these vagabonds were attracted to the forge by the glow of light which used to escape through coal black window panes, and to come in to warm themselves in front of the fire. And these people, these vagabonds, used to come in the forge to warm themselves in front of the fire, because they didn't have any place to pass their night. The blacksmiths glanced means looked only casually and indifferently at the intruder. Now, who was the intruder? The intruder was the rat trap sailor. See the line. The blacksmiths looked only casually and indifferently at the rat trap sailor. He looked the way people of his type usually did. He means the rat trap sailor looked the way people of his type, people of his class usually looked. With a long beard, he had a long beard. Dirty, rugged, he was wearing dirty and torn clothes, and with a bunch of rat traps dangling means hanging on his chest, and a bunch of rat traps was hanging on his chest. He asked permission to stay. He means the rat trap sailor asked permission to stay, and the master blacksmith nodded. A hearty means proud, consent means permission, and the master blacksmith nodded. A hearty consent means permission, without honoring, without respecting him with a single word. See, the master blacksmith nodded. He nodded his head in a hearty manner to give permission to the rat trap sailor to stay, without honoring, without showing honor, without showing respect to him with a single word. But he did not say a single word to show respect to him, but he only nodded his head to give permission to him to stay in the forge. But he did not say any single word to show respect to him. The tramp means vagrant, wanderer, did not say anything either. See, the tramp means the rat trap sailor who was vagrant, who was wanderer, did not say anything at the behavior of the master blacksmith either. He had not come there to talk. See, he means the rat trap sailor had not come there to talk to anyone, but only to warm himself. He had only come to warm himself and sleep. In those days, the Ramjo iron mill was owned by a very prominent iron master. Prominent means famous iron master, whose greatest ambition means strong desire, was to ship out good iron to the market. See, in those days, the Ramjo iron mill was owned by a very prominent iron master. In those days, a very famous iron master was the owner of the Ramjo iron mill, whose greatest ambition was to ship out good iron to the market, and his greatest ambition was to ship out good iron to the market. He bathed both night and day to see that the work was done as well as possible. See, because the iron master was very famous, his ambition was to ship out good iron to the market. That's why he was very careful in the production work. See, that's why he used to come to have a close watch over the work. He bathed both night and day. He used to come to have a watch on the work both night and day to see that work was done as well as possible. He used to come to see that work must be done as well as it was possible. And at this very moment, at this time, at this very moment, he came into the forge. At this time, the iron master came into the forge on one of his 90 rounds of inspection. Every night he used to come on the round of inspection, and at this time also he was on the such type of round. See the line? He bathed both night and day to see that work was done as well as possible. And at this very moment, he came into the forge on one of his 90 rounds of inspection.